Welcome, writers. This is an introduction to our personal narrative writing unit. The purpose of this unit is to help you master a few of the 4th and 5th grade Common Core writing standards. Both 4th and 5th graders need to be able to write complete, detailed narratives that are imagined or based on real events. In this unit, we will be focusing on storytelling about real events. Let's get started. We will begin by introducing you to the genre of personal narrative. What is it exactly? Have you ever told your friend a story like this about something that happened to you? If so, you're already familiar with the art of personal narrative. Personal narrative is a type of writing that is about your personal experiences. It's told like a story, and it includes what you did and how you felt during the experience. Over the next few weeks, we will be growing our personal narrative writing skills by practicing this genre and adding specific strategies to our writing toolkits. It's important to know that a good personal narrative tells a story from personal experience, so it's something that really happened to you. It uses the first person point of view, which is when you write using I and me. It shows your feelings through your actions, and it uses concrete words and sensory details to describe people and events. It also uses other craft techniques like dialogue and pacing. And finally, it has transition words that help the reader keep track of the sequence. We will learn about each of these in more detail as we continue with our lessons. Your next steps will be to take a look at some examples of personal narrative. Then you will do writing workshop for 30 minutes. Make sure to head back to your Google Classroom writing assignment and complete the remaining tasks. Don't forget to attach your work and submit your writing assignments to get full credit for doing today's work.